Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to access your assignment on a new platform called NEWSELA. So you're going to see it right at the top. You're going to go ahead and click, and then you're going to click NEWSELA sign in, okay? So you are going to need to sign in with your Google account. That's the same account you log in with your Google Classroom. So you're going to click, I'm logging in as a student, so I'm going to go ahead and click the student name, right? And you're going to need to accept all of these things, and you're going to click allow. Once you click allow, it is going to take you to your assignment. You'll see your initials over here at the top, and you are going to see your assignment, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to go ahead and click the assignment. So this is the article that you're going to be reading, and then you're going to say take quiz, and then on the side this is going to pop up and you'll click the answers to your questions. So you can go ahead and click one and press next, so on and so forth. And so there are only 4 questions, and when you're done, these aren't the right answers, so do not pick these. I'm just guessing. It's going to generate and tell you how much you got correct, okay? You can review each question. I hope that helps. You can also practice words, but there are none for this activity. Good luck.